Okay, this is a cylinder head cap replacement for a Honda, and the first thing I found is you need to have the right tools. Nice little thin screwdriver that I hammered down years ago, and you don't have to buy a new cap unless you break this one. All we want to do is seal it. We'll get into the reasons for that. I'm not squeezing out any oil right now, but if you have any kind of pressure coming through the cylinders, they'll be showing up right here. We're just going to pry this thing off a little at a time. Half broke there. I tilted the car a little bit. There's supposed to be some oil coming out. Which will put this sock down here for that. See, there's an O-ring around it, and we're just going to put silicone around this O-ring. And you might have to get the hondabond from the dealer, $20, if you got enough coming out of here and you need a super sealer. We're going to clean all this up, silicone it. Supposed to be all coming out, but I tilted the car, so it's not really coming out, but it's going to have to be tilted some more. You want this all dry and clean. The oil's right there at the top. This thing is, I don't know why it's got so much oil in there like that. Thing I want to clean up on the side. Alright, we're gonna do it now. We're gonna clean it like it is. Clean the cap too. Yeah, it's about as clean as we're going to get it. And like I said, any high temperature will work, but if you need super pressure, then you're going to have to go to Honda. This will take about 24 hours to totally dry. And you just stick it back in.